Today's project is a twist on the traditional wooden cup and ball game. This method is soft and perfect for any age. It is also great for building hand-eye coordination. You will need the following materials: a scrap piece of cardboard, scissors, yarn, brown foam sheet, and your hot glue gun. Cut a shape that resembles a rectangle with a slit running down the middle, but not all the way. Wrap it around multiple times to create a pom-pom. While the yarn is wrapped around your cardboard, tie a long piece of yarn tightly in the middle. Cut the loops on each side. Take your scissors and even out the pom-pom. For the cone, draw a triangle onto the foam sheet with a rounded base. Cut the triangle out. Also, cut the tip off of the triangle. Use some hot glue to attach the cone together. Take a long length of yarn and push it through the cone. Now tie a knot at the end. Have your kids try to get the ice cream pom-pom into the ice cream cone. Toss the ice cream pom-pom upward by jerking your arm that is holding the cone. You can have the kids get a point each time it comes in, or just let it be a simple learning tool. If you find the string is long like I did, you can always cut off what you don't need and place another knot at the end. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join me next week.